Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's having problems drawing this, and I just got through drawing it, and I found his problem. He sent me this, this, and this. If you look, the inside part, and he even noticed, I mean, that's what he sent me the deal, where on the original, it's like a square, sharp point. So when you contour it, it actually gets worse. I've never really seen this before like this, but in this type of situation, but I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. And then I'm going to take, it'd actually be better safer to rotate it 30 degrees and get that flat side. Then you could come straight down holding down your contour or your control button. See, you can't go left or right. So we're going to go about to there. But when he makes it a line and makes it like 36 points, and then goes to object and converts that to an object and left click, right click, we get that point right there that's not a point. The only thing I could think of to do is right here in this stage, hit F12 on your keyboard and turn your miter limit to 0. And then go to object, convert the outline to an object, and left click, right click. We have one node out of place right here, but we can take that node and delete it. So now we have sharp corners. Well, matter of fact, there's even one on the outside, but it doesn't matter. It's going to be, so there's only the nodes that need to be there now. I'm going to make my contour less this time. I'm going to go to effects and contour. I'm going to just contour like 0.3. So I have a little bit less of a gap. Now I'm going to go ahead and break the contour apart, but I will group it together and then Control D, and I'm going to rotate it 30 degrees. And that's what we get. So if you will bring in this into, if you try to, or when he tries to draw it, that's the coloration you need to have. So what I would suggest strongly is to Control G to group all that together. And let's take our Smart Fill tool and go there, and then go through here and out. Then on this one, go to that one, that one, that one, that one, skipping that and hitting that. Now, because we group this together, we can nudge it out of the way. Now you can see the lines from the Smart Fill tool, but right now, if we take it all and weld it, those lines go away. Okay, we're working in the center of the page. Control D, I normally alternate C, but I'm going to just put it in the center so you'll know how to do it if you don't have alternate C. And then you're going to rotate it 60 degrees and Control D, Control D, Control D. And there you have it with sharp corners. Make it black, take away the outline. And you could actually make your contour a little bit less, but see how where he had a rounded corner? I've never really seen that in this scenario. I know it's a lot on a star when you're drawing let's just do it. When you draw a star and then you make it 20 points. See how it puts a flat side on the star? Well, right there, go to F12 on your keyboard and limit this to 0 and hit OK, and it gives you a sharp. I've only ever seen it on that. I've never seen it on a polygon. But F12 or just double clicking on your color down here will do it. But that's the trick. Anyway, hope that helps somebody someday and answered that man's question, and thank you for watching.